In a world filled with well-trodden paths and over-visited tourist spots, there's something utterly captivating about discovering a hidden gem or venturing off the beaten path. Recent reports have shed light on some fascinating trends, revealing that the allure of these lesser-known destinations is growing stronger than ever. There's been a significant shift in the real estate market, as reported by Business Insider in May 2021. Wealthy Americans, driven by factors such as the pandemic, have been relocating to smaller cities, propelling property prices in these hidden gem locations to new heights. There's even a term for these pioneers: affluent trailblazers. They're moving away from the hustle and bustle of metropolises like Los Angeles and New York, finding solace in the suburbs and vacation hotspots, in cities on the rise like Phoenix, Colorado, and Dallas. These places are not just offering more affordable luxury properties, but are also becoming competitive with major cities. In another intriguing turn of events, luxury cruise lines like Seabourn have been experiencing a surge in bookings for their future cruises. The penthouse spa and premium suites of Seabourn's 2023 World Cruise, for instance, sold out in no time. This indicates a pent-up demand for travel and exploration post the COVID-19 pandemic, with travelers eager to set sail on new adventures and explore uncharted territories. The travel industry is also witnessing the transformative power of artificial intelligence. As reported by Time in July 2023, travelers are leveraging AI chatbots to plan their post-pandemic trips. These sophisticated tools provide recommendations for destinations based on user criteria, helping them discover unique, off-the-beaten-path places. However, while AI is making strides in simplifying trip planning, the human touch and expertise of travel agents remain invaluable, especially for more complex tasks like flight bookings. In summary, the appeal of hidden gems and off-the-beaten-path destinations is soaring. Whether it's the affluent seeking a change of scenery and investing in smaller cities, or travelers eager to embark on luxurious world cruises, or even tech-savvy explorers leveraging AI to discover unique places, the trend is clear. There's a collective yearning to break away from the familiar, to explore the unknown, to discover something new. So the next time you plan a trip, consider taking the road less traveled. You never know what hidden gem you might uncover.